Smith Jr., we're in hot pursuit.
Got it.
Yes! That was fucking phenomenal.
And called it beautiful, innovative and heartbreaking. It will move you to laughter and tears. Starring Miss Musical Theatre royalty, Marina Pryor, Maggie McKenna, Gonzalez, Emily Havea and Adam.
It's fucking idiots.
Assholes right in the middle. Fuck you. Seriously?
Yeah, good on you, fucktard. Fucking bizarre. Fucking motorbikes. Look at this fucktard. Fucking imbecile. Fuck.
It's going to be horrendous next week. Oh, for heaven's sake.
I'm going that way. Oh my god. Fuck me. She went out of her way to block me then. You see it? She moved up. And she could back up as well, but she's not gonna. Look, he just went think with your head. Look.
What, didn't it?
That guy just went to her.
She's
think
giving
with
him
your-
the finger
I know,
back.
I know.
Just,
Think with your head. He's going like this. Think with your head.
just laugh at them. They hate it when you laugh at
I know, and I got a camera here too, so. Well, that was red. Wow.
Using Australian-made products.
If you're waking up feeling less than fully rested, then
motherfucker.
BZ77KX P-plater. What an ass. No. ZFW9 something Z. Oh, really?
Experiences to give away. Power your camping passion with Battery World today.
Coles is a proud major partner of Little Athletics. Since 2018, we've provided over $1.6 million in sports equipment to more than 300 athletic centres.
You asshole.
I'm an inconsiderate brat!
They come after us, so we have to fight and scramble and hang on.
The Newcastle Knights are hoping to bring Cowboys halfback Jake Clifford to the club immediately. He signed for...
You have the right of way. Come on, what are you doing?
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only
Knox.
Angelina Jolie.
Yes, Brooklyn Beckham.
Victoria Beckham.
Princess Charlotte.
Kate.
That'll do, Sally Fletcher.
Sally Fletcher. Oh, Kate's mum on Home and Away.
Oh, you got three. You got three. We're looking for Pippa.
We're looking for Pippa.
Yeah, that's Pippa. Yes. I mean,
what the
no,
fuck? Don't worry about it. You got three though. Oh wow.
So we are giving you 3 items from Harvey Norman: the Ninja Nutri blender and air fryer, the Sunbeam espresso machine,
nice.
the Dyson hair straightener. That's nothing to be sniffed.
Oh my gosh.
That $2,000 goes to Friday though, so know that when you register online, that means $6,000 so far on Friday. It's guaranteed to go. It will definitely go on Friday. So play.
Oh, okay.
Jump online now. novafm.com.au. Mum's the word. Same time tomorrow.
Oh yeah. Well done. Hey, lights on, buddy.
Just leave him. Oh, no.
No, he hasn't.
Just leave him. He probably thinks you're questioning for something else. Just leave him. Shoot. He doesn't.
P-plater.
There you go. You put him on?
Yeah.
But like, he doesn't realise.
So I said, how do I fucking get it going again? They go, well, we don't really know. I said, well, I bought it from you. He goes, yeah, but we don't make them. So I rang Red Arc. Fucking get on your side of the road. Did you see that?
Yeah.
I know what this guy's fucking problem is. He keeps flashing lights at me. CZ78 something or other. He's right on my fucking ass. Straight through a red, you fucking dickhead. What the fuck are you doing? CZ78QC is trying to fucking road rage with me. Can I help you?
Thanks.
That was very, very, very good.